hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know that, guys, I love you and I love you permanently. So, today is a Sunday, and I've already come back from church. It's actually quite late in the afternoon, it's going to 5 o'clock. So, I actually wanted to try to vlog. Guys, what is a vlog? Vlogging, is it not showing like different parts of my life? Like, I don't know, guys, but I'm just trying it out to see if, like, so yeah, as you can see, I'm just just chilling. So I also just wanted to show you guys around my room. Like, I've always been saying that I'm renting a place. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. And as you can see, I have bantu knots that I did yesterday. Yesterday, which was a Sunday. And yeah, I don't know why, guys. Every time I do bantu knots, they don't come out like the way I've normally seen, for example, on Pinterest or on YouTube. They don't come out that's I don't know why. So maybe I will show you guys when I'm taking them out how my hair would actually look when I'm, because I want my hair to be like springy, to be like curly, a little bit curly, but I don't know, sometimes I just miss it. So I'm just gonna show you guys around my room. So guys, now this is like how I would enter my room. As you can see, now I'm just entering the door. So here's my door, and now so I have those buckets there because, guys, sometimes we struggle, we don't have water, so I need to have water, so that's why I have so those 4 buckets, they're actually for water, and the 2 ones on the left, they're for my maize meal and for my rice, and that's the water I use when I'm washing dishes. We do have taps outside and sinks outside, but sometimes it's mostly occupied, so I just prefer to use my own thinking. So this is actually my cupboard, and that is my fridge. Yeah, so it's nothing major, guys. It's just a one room and everything is just in your face. So yeah, that's my fridge. And yes, so now you would see that, guys, I have 2 washing baskets. And so the reason why I have this is because my brother is currently with me at the moment, staying with me at the moment. So one washing basket is for me and the one is for him. Yeah, and then you would see that I also have like a chest drawer which my brother broke. That door, he broke it. Guys, ingane zabafana, guys, and they break everything. These people are messy. So he broke it, and you would actually see now that so on top, this is where I keep like my things that I use. Yeah, and these are his books. Like, guys, it's a lot. So these are my thingings that I currently use for my hair, for my body, and currently I'm using the LA Lab tissue oil, which I got from Pep Home. Actually, I don't know, but I think I love LA Lab more than Bramley, guys. There's just something about this brand that I just love. Yeah, and it's working for me. So that is my bed that I currently sleep in. And yeah, it's nothing major, guys. It's just a bed. That's my laptop. And yeah, that's my room in a nutshell. And on this chair, I just normally keep things that I would need at hand when I'm sitting on my bed, because I currently don't have a table at the moment, as you can clearly see. So I just keep most of my things in that chair. And now on my bed, I mostly have my Bible there. I have my diaries there, because why? I love reading my Bible. That's number one. And I love writing. When I read the Bible, I also love to write it down. So on this pink one, this pink diary, I actually write, when I'm listening to sermons like online and I want to take down notes for that specific sermon. So that is the diary I use. Please, guys, don't look at the years that's written on the diary. Like, I'm not going to get rid of a diary just because the year expired. So this blue one, I actually use it now when I'm actually noting down, notes when I'm reading my Bible, because, when you read the Bible, the Lord helps you to understand what he's saying. So this is what I use. to make my notes and all of that good stuff. And then last but not least, my Bible, guys. I love this Bible because, like, guys, this is the first Bible I actually bought for myself with my own money. It's a Winnie Ebria, guys. Like, there's just something about buying something for yourself. Like, yo, guys, this Bible is actually my favorite. The NLT version is actually my favorite version because it's just so easy to understand. It's just, I don't know. I love it, guys. So that's my Bible. Yeah. So guys, I hope that you're so like what my room is like. Please don't judge. Please don't judge. Yeah, guys, it's it's humble beginnings, okay? Like, it's not one of these like apartments that you see on YouTube and people are moving in and all of that. No, it's not that. Like, it's not that. It's just simple and it's enough for me. So we have like in the Oyokeza like a bathing area outside, which is a shower and the toilet, which is separate. So one is for the girls. Like, there's a downstairs here and an upstairs. So those that are upstairs have their own things to use, and also we that are down also have our own things to use. So we also have abafana lana. So abafana have their own toilets and their own shower, and we girls also have our own things because, like, hey, I can't be sharing nomfana kaizini. Abafana, those people are messy. Those people are messy. Okay, yeah. But so today I want to actually make a pie that I saw. What's this guy? I saw him on Instagram, C4 the cooking husband. Like, guys, obviously it's not going to be 100% like C4, but then he used beef, but I'm actually going to be using chicken to make like a chicken pie. And I also made like mashed potatoes, so I'm going to put now milk and like stock in it to make it more softer and put it as the base of my puff pastry, so it becomes more filling with the chicken. So I hope that everything comes out nicely. So I'm just going to now keep quiet and show you guys everything. Hope you enjoy. here. Yeah, I think it's coming along. I think it's coming along. Yeah. Like, guys, look at those two flowers I added. They just OMG, guys, I'm not a cook, okay? But it's coming along perfectly. Was on the I think it is. I think it is. So I'm just gonna take it out. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it out. So let's cut this baby up. So let's cut it up. Cut this baby up. Okay. So guys, I'm practically done with my pie. So this is how it actually looks. This is how it looks. So now I know it's a dirty job, but somebody has to do it, guys. I have to do the tasting and do all of that. Okay. So let me just get my fork. Let's just see. So here it is. Here it is. Here it is. It's so hot, so hot. Mm. Mm, it's hot. Okay. For my first try, my curry is good. My curry is so good. Mm. So hot, so hot. So good. Okay. Alright. For my first try, but my curry is so good, y'all. Mm, 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 mm. So good. I'm so excited. Right. Yeah, so good. Mm. So guys, thank you so much. If you have actually watched my video, I really, really appreciate that. So we have come to the end of this video and I hope that you enjoyed it. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know that, guys, I love you and I love you fervently. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.